Hello and welcome back to my channel. So for today's video I'm going to be tackling my university bedroom because I've been here about a month now and I've kind of just been able to figure out where everything needs to go in order for my room to work properly. I've just decided that there are a few things that need moving around or changing and tidying up and organising because things have just kind of got out of hand a little bit. It's been quite an overwhelming month, I'm not gonna lie. You know, I've been back and forth to uni, getting used to it all, as well as like living by myself. So yeah, there's just a few things that need like cleaning up and dusting and tidying and wiping and all that kind of stuff. This video is kindly sponsored by Desenio. For those of you who do not know, Desenio is a company that create amazing, beautiful, so aesthetically pleasing prints. There are so many to choose from off their website and I'm fairly certain there'll be something there for every person, every style, every theme, every room. They have very kindly given me a discount code so that you can get 25% off your purchase from Desenio. This discount code is only valid until midnight on the 24th of October 2019. However, Desenio are still super affordable whether or not you have a discount code, so I'll link everything down below in case you want to go and check them out anyway. So I ordered my Desenio prints last week. I want to say it was like Friday last week, so they've basically taken exactly a week to arrive because today is Saturday and they arrived yesterday evening. So yeah, I wanted to leave it until today to open them properly because I wanted obviously to show you guys on camera. So I'm just gonna like sit on my bed and put everything into the frames and make sure it all looks okay, and then I'll show you guys what I got. Okay, so I don't know how well you can see this, but I got two 50 by 70 prints and then two 30 by 40 prints. I feel like they'd go quite well if I was to like maybe stack one in front of the other. And then the prints themselves have come in this like black envelope, which is so cool.
I know this world can be so cruel. We have our hands tied, they treat us like we're fools. Yeah. We're underestimated and boxed in. All judgmental labels spread us thin. We can run away to another place.
Okay, so as you've seen, I've just spent the past like 20 minutes putting them all into their frames. So I'm going to show you which ones I've got. Ta-da! There we go. So these are the two big ones and then the two small ones are here. So the first one I've got is literally a massive print of 3 moons, and then I have one of a lion because it's like literally my favourite thing in the whole world. And then I have a really cute line drawing and this quote which says, "Ask yourself if what you're doing today is getting you anywhere closer to where you want to be tomorrow." I figured that would be quite cute and motivational to have on my desk. So yeah, ta-da, I have prints. And I'm very happy with them. I'm gonna go and continue to tidy the rest of my room and then I can put these up and make them look all nice and cute and take some pics and some clips for you so you can see. Okay, let's get on with the boring cleaning part.
I broke a few hearts or two, a couple too many times. I let good things go up in flames, they blow up like dynamite. If I'm being honest, no, I got a problem, no one made me wanna change. Then there was you, it feels so new, I just wanna get this right. No, I'm not a role model, nothing ever seems to last. Baby, now that I got it, I'll be better with you. I'll be better with you. Now that I got it. No, I'm not a role model. That I got it. Can't help myself, I like myself way more when you're by my side. Just stay the night, it's been a while. You're not like those other guys. If I'm being honest, you're all that I wanted, 'cause you make me wanna change. I broke a few hearts are two. Now I'm gonna get this right. No, I'm not a role model. Nothing ever seems to last. Baby, now that I got it, I'll be better with you. I'll be better with you. Now that I got it. I could take it much longer. Am I dumb to think I wasn't good enough? Well, I guess not, guess not.
Oh my god, I've been doing this for about 2 hours now. Oh, but it's nearly done, so we're okay. I have tidied my desk, great. Tidied the kitchen. This top's strangling me. I've pretty much done nearly everything on my list. I need to do my bathroom. I need to sweep the floor in here. I need to take everything out that's by the doors. And then I think that's just waiting for my food shop to arrive, which will happen in an hour, maybe a bit longer, maybe an hour and a half. So yeah, we're doing good. We've got a lot of progress done. I want to fully tidy everything before I put my prints up. They're currently just sat down there in the corner because I'm not too sure where I want to go with them. So we're just going to wait until everything's tidy and then I can decide. Cool, I think I'm going to start on the bathroom now because that's the next thing that has the most like rubbish in it, and then I can take all the rubbish out because that is just a bit annoying. So yeah, cool. Alrighty. That was so close, nearly did it in time. I like to play that trick on my bathroom light because it's got a sensor, so I try and open the door as slowly as possible and then scare it to turn it on, which is so stupid. But I mean, it brings me joy, so you know, let's tackle the bathroom now.
I've been running laps at the track of my old school. I've been running past all the has-been too soon. A jersey on the wall, where you been and what you up to? Too long to get through.
I can't do this with one hand. Won't go in. We have one more to do though. That took a while to go down.
On stage, rearrange, chase it, lose change. Oh, you never know where it takes you, but you can't stay.
I'm gonna shut this window because it's quite loud. Basically, this is what I've gone for. So I've put the moon and the like line drawing kissy people on the top of my bed, and then I put the lion and the quote on my desk like this, and I think the plant goes quite nicely there. I like that. I think that's quite cute. I was gonna do like this one overlapping a bit, but at the same time I just didn't know if that, oh actually that's quite nice. These might not stay like this. I might mix it up and see how I feel, but I think that's where I'm gonna go with them for today. I'm back. And my food shop has been delivered, so I'm gonna now spend a little while unpacking all this. I mean, I say a little while, it's not that much food to be honest, but it's enough for me. We are finished. The room is clean. We are done. Hallelujah. Everything on the list has been ticked off. We have done it. I'm successful. Mrs. Hinch, watch out. I'm coming for you. Ta-da! We are done. I hope you guys enjoyed this clean with me video. If you did, feel free to give it a thumbs up. Whilst you're there, don't forget to subscribe. And thank you to Desenio for sponsoring this video. I'm very, very happy about my prints, and please don't forget to use the discount code. As I've said already, everything will be down below in the description box if you've missed anything. Yeah, I will see you guys very soon with a new video. Thanks a bunch. Goodbye. It's clean.